Welcome back to the video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Facebook account. I'm going to click on here now to open my Facebook account. After you open up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the setting icon. So click on setting icon right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to account center. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you click on password and security. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on two-factor authentication. Then select your Facebook account. Select your Facebook account. It'll take you right here. Here you will need to enter your Facebook login password. Having entered your login password, click on continue. Then you're going to send a verification code to your mail. Go ahead and get the code. So I will open up my Gmail account right here. I'm going to refresh. Then I have my code right here. So I'll simply click and hold down, and I'll copy the verification code. Then I'll go back to my Facebook account login right here. So I'll click on enter code right here. I'll paste the code. Then I'll click on continue. Here we go. Next thing we want to do right here is to head over to see out. So it's going to take us right here. So the next thing we want to do here is to go to additional method. See how to log in securely, even if your other methods are not available. This is very much important because sometimes your two-factor authentication might fail you, or your device might fail you. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on additional methods. So it's going to take you right here. Click on recovery codes. So what you want to do right here, recovery code. Use recovery code to log in. If you lose access to your phone or can't log in using your security method, click on turn on right here. Here we go. These are all your code right here. What you need to do is to simply make sure you save this code to somewhere you can easily recognize. Okay? And you'll be given, just like what you see right here, you'll be given about 5 different codes right here that you can use to access your Facebook account in case you are logged out with your security on your Facebook account. So you can see right here, you can use each recovery code once. Save your recovery code in the safe place. Without this, you may not be able to log in into your Facebook account if you lose access, your phone number, or can't log in using your security method. So you need to make sure you have this code. So write it down somewhere that you will not forget for future access to your Facebook account. It's that simple. More tutorial about Facebook security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.